we will present the outcomes of CCMAS44. There were virtual meetings. And the host country was Bulgaria, with the participation of 77 member states and a EU organization and 21 observing organizations with the presence from Algeria, Egypt, Iran, Morocco, Oman, and Qatar. KSA. In regard to the analysis and taking samples, as provided by the subcommittees for the Food Codex, item 3, as the committee, the CCFF 36 raised the amino acids issue, and CC Africa 25 in regard to the pesticides and the dried meat, and CCFA 55 as indicated in this slide. Also, the following methods were sent by CCFCEDU 44 to the CAC for adoption or cancellation or rewarding it. And that was for food fibers analysis and the provisions related to this and other formulas relevant to this topic for the follow-up. And the CCMAS 44 requested from the Secretariat to amend the standard of these commodities by general reference to the standard 234 1999 according to the procedural reference in regard to item 4 of the agenda in regard to the analysis in chemo. The CCMAS 44 preferred to maintain the standard according to ISO. Also, the EWG in regard to adoption requested to reconsider redrafting or based on the information by CCMAS 44. In regard to item 4.2 of the agenda, items in regard to moisture of the milk, CCMAS 44 accepted to redirect and reconsider the method with another footnote of the CAC 48 to be adopted as a method. In regard to the item 5, in regard to reviewing the analysis means, as in the standard 234, the CCMAS 44 agreed to send the analytical methods of the fruit and paprika and chocolate to CAC 48 to be adopted or to cancel them. And they reconvened a work group presided by Serbia, participating in the co-chairing USA for in regard to the analysis and implementable and executable methods for and chocolate. The CCMAS 44 published a document and informed the publication of this document. It holds 2 parts. First, in regard to put in the sampling methods and the case study, and the second part in regard to the sampling plan. I need to mention, and all these according not only the steps, but they are available for use by the committee or for general discussion of the Food Codex after consultation. Next slide. In regard to item 7 of the agenda, In regard to food standards, the CCMAS accepted to send the NPC in regard to these food standards and determinants to be adopted by the CAC 48. And in regard to item 8, allergic factors will be tackled, and there will be an agreement to form EWG presided by US and co-chaired by UK. In regard to item 9, which in regard to the coordinations of certain diseases in the CAC 34 as agreed by CCMAS 44 to make an EWG presided by Brazil and to continue the review and harmonization of the names in the standard 234 1999. Thank you very much.